in this video we are going to format those rows having alphanumeric values, or it is contain alpha in the cell, then that record should we get find out. Okay, uh, depending on cell value. Suppose here column B is there. In this B column basically there are rupees, but some alphabets also get inserted in these columns. Okay, so what we will do is we will find out those records having alphabets in that column. Okay, so what we will do, we will do in considering in conditional formatting. Okay, in new rule. Okay, uh, sorry, before going this in this we will do we will add one extra column. Okay, uh, okay, in that column what we will try to put, we will put one formula that is number. Okay, whether that column is having number or not. So what we will put here, L2. Okay, sorry, not L2, it's a B2. That column is B2. Okay, is this column is number? Yes, it's true. Let me drag and up to here, copy this formula up to here. So this is false, means B3 is not number. I mean B5 is not number. Okay, so if we are going to format this row by color by using this boolean value, Excel will not allow. Okay, so what we will do, we will add one more column here. Okay, and in that we will put one condition. If okay, E if E2 is equal to true. Okay, E2 is equal to true, then what? Here we can mention yes. Okay, else no. So complete this formula, let's enter and copy up to this. Okay, so we are getting these values in text. This was boolean, so that was not able to get in conditional formatting. So what we will do now, we will select this portion. Okay, sorry, okay, in here we will go in manage rules. Okay, add new rule. Here we will write is equal to dollar F2 is equal to no, just a minute, no, then format the row as red. Okay, okay, here you will get those records. Rates are containing alphanumeric value in the loan in rupees column. So that's it to find out the alphanumeric value and formatting the record having that value. Thanks for watching video. You can basically hide those columns if those are not required for you, can hide. Okay, so that's all about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe our channel.